These are the elevators at 136 East Rosemary, I believe. Yeah, in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. There's also Otis that got modernized by possibly Dover in the 80s, but now ThyssenKrupp, mad BS. Have these down canals for construction or something, I guess. Got the 6. Interior garage. Doors are acting weird. Guess it's original like door operator or rental or something. Elevator B. There's a flashing green light right there. It's rather cold in here. Here at 6. Air goes out early. ThyssenKrupp's. This floor's been renovated. Looks very nice. But you still got the brick from the original. Interesting old doors. We'll go back down the ground. Here you go. I don't think there's any construction over here today. Basic stainless steel cab. Certificate. Still 1973. Yeah. Oh, this is 137 East Franklin. And this one, Bank of America. And the other one, maybe the East Rosemary side. 136 East Rosemary. This is kind of confusing. And they're closing. That's going to be it.